Hey, English learners. Welcome back to the English Leap podcast, your cozy little place to learn real English through real everyday conversations. I'm Rose.
And I'm Jake. And Rose, I want to tell you about my weekend.
Oh, yes? How was it?
It was really good. On Saturday, I went to the market. I bought some fruit and vegetables. Then I walked home. I cooked a big lunch. I ate everything. It was delicious.
Jake, that was beautiful.
Thank you. I really enjoyed it.
No, I mean, your English was beautiful. Do you know what you just did?
I talked about my weekend?
Yes, but look at the words you used. Was, went, bought, walked, cooked, ate. All of those are past tense. You used past tense perfectly just now, without thinking.
Oh, I did?
You did. And today, that is exactly what we are going to learn, how to use past tense in English to talk about yesterday, last week, last month, any time before now.
And it is not as scary as it sounds?
Not at all. It is actually very simple. Let's show our listeners how. Okay, Jake, let's start with the simplest past tense words, was and were.
Was and were. Those come from the word to be.
Yes, exactly. Right now, I say I am happy, but yesterday I say I was happy. Am changes to was.
Oh, simple. Today, I am tired. Yesterday, I was tired.
Perfect. And is also changes to was. Today, the weather is cold. Yesterday, the weather was warm.
Today, my coffee is hot. Yesterday, my coffee was cold. I forgot about it.
That sounds very real, Jake. Now, are changes to were. Today, we are here. Yesterday, we were here too.
Today, my friends are happy. Yesterday, they were tired.
Perfect. So let's remember, am and is change to was. Are changes to were.
I am, I was. She is, she was. They are, they were.
Yes, say it again, listeners. I am, I was. She is, she was. They are, they were. Simple, clear, easy.
Rose, where were you yesterday?
I was at the supermarket, and after that, I was at home.
I was at the park yesterday. The weather was beautiful. Many people were there.
Was and were. Two small words, but very powerful. You can describe any place or feeling from the past. Now let's talk about action words. Verbs. Things you do. Walk, cook, watch, talk, listen, play.
What happens to those verbs in past tense?
Something very easy. You just add ed to the end. That is it.
Just ed?
Just ed. Walk, walked. Cook, cooked. Watch, watched. Talk, talked. Listen, listened.
Let me try. Today I walked to work. Yesterday I walked to work.
Perfect.
Today I cooked dinner. Last night I cooked dinner.
Beautiful.
Today I watch a film. Last night I watched a film.
Jake, you are a natural.
I like this. Just add ed. So simple.
And you can make a little story. Listen to this. Yesterday morning, I walked to the cafe. I waited for my friend. We talked for 1 hour. Then I walked home. I cooked lunch. I listened to music. I cleaned my room. Then I watched a film.
Every verb, just add ed. Walked, waited, talked, cooked, listened, cleaned, watched.
Yes, all regular verbs. All just need ed. Easy.
Rose, you said regular verbs. Does that mean some verbs are irregular?
Yes, some verbs are special. They do not add ed. They change completely.
Oh, like what?
Like go. Today, I go to school. Yesterday, I went to school. Not goed, just went. Went.
Okay. Go went. I can remember that.
Let's do more. Eat. Today, I eat breakfast. Yesterday, I ate breakfast. Not eated, just ate.
Ate. Okay. Go went. Eat ate.
See. Today, I see my friend. Yesterday, I saw my friend. Not seed, just saw.
Go went. Eat ate. See saw.
Have. Today, I have coffee. Yesterday, I had coffee. Not havid, just had.
Go went. Eat ate. See saw. Have had. I am learning these.
2 more. Take. Today, I take the bus. Yesterday, I took the bus. Not taked, just took.
Took.
And come. Today, I come home at 6. Yesterday, I came home at 6. Not comed, just came.
Go went. Eat ate. See saw. Have had. Take took. Come came. 6 irregular verbs.
Learn these 6 first. You will use them every single day. They are the most common irregular verbs in English.
Went, ate, saw, had, took, came. I will say them 10 times tonight.
Good idea.
Rose, what about negative sentences? Like, I did not go, or I did not eat.
Great question. For negative past tense, we use did not, or short form, didn't. And after didn't, we use the base verb, not the past form.
So, I didn't go to the market yesterday, not I didn't went.
Yes, exactly. I didn't go, not I didn't went. I didn't eat breakfast, not I didn't ate. After didn't, always the base verb.
I didn't watch TV last night. I didn't cook dinner. I didn't go to the gym.
Perfect. That is 3 honest sentences about yesterday.
Very honest. Yesterday was a lazy day.
That is okay. Lazy days are important too. Now, Jake, let's put everything together. Tell me about last Saturday. Use past tense, was, were, regular verbs, irregular verbs.
Okay, let me try. Last Saturday was a good day. I woke up at 8 o'clock. I ate breakfast, eggs and toast. I drank coffee. Then I went to the park with my friend Sam. The weather was sunny and warm. We walked for 1 hour. We saw a dog. It was very friendly. We talked and laughed. Then we went to a small cafe. I had a sandwich. Sam had soup. After that, we came home. I watched a film in the evening. It was a funny film. I went to bed early. It was a perfect day.
Jake, that was wonderful. You used was, went, ate, drank, walked, saw, had, talked, came, watched. Regular and irregular verbs, all perfectly in past tense.
It feels natural when you tell a story.
Yes, stories are the best way to practice. Now, my turn. Last Sunday was a quiet day for me. I woke up late. It was 9:30. I made tea and sat by the window. It was rainy outside. I read a book for 2 hours. I cooked a simple lunch, soup and bread. It was warm and delicious. In the afternoon, I called my sister. We talked for a long time. I listened to her news, and she listened to mine. In the evening, I watched a documentary. It was very interesting. I went to bed happy.
That was beautiful, Rose. Simple words, simple sentences, but a complete story.
And that is the goal. Simple sentences in past tense can tell any story from your life. Yesterday, last week, last year, any time before now. Now let's look at 4 important past tense words, the ones you will use most in daily life.
Say every word out loud with us. Hearing yourself use past tense is the best practice you can do.
Went is the past tense of go. Go, went. Say it slowly. Went. Went.
Easiest sentence, yesterday I went to the shop.
You can also say, last week I went to a restaurant. Or, I went to bed early last night.
Instead of saying, I go to the park yesterday, say, I went to the park yesterday. Went, not go, Ed. Remember, went. You'll use this word every day.
Ate is the past tense of eat. Eat, ate. Say it slowly. Ate, ate.
Easiest sentence, I ate a big breakfast this morning.
You can also say, we ate pizza last night, or she ate her lunch quickly. Instead of saying, I eat dinner at 7 yesterday, say, I ate dinner at 7 yesterday. Ate, not eated. Remember, ate. Saw is the past tense of see. See, saw. Say it slowly. Saw, saw.
Easiest sentence, I saw my friend yesterday.
You can also say, I saw a beautiful sunset last night, or we saw a good film last weekend. Instead of saying, I see a great movie last week, say, I saw a great movie last week. Saw, not see'd. Remember, saw. So, today we learned how to use past tense in English.
We learned was and were for places and feelings in the past. I was at home. They were happy.
We learned regular verbs. Just add ed. Walked, cooked, watched, talked, listened.
We learned 6 important irregular verbs. Go, went, eat, ate, see, saw, have, had, take, took, come, came.
And we learned negative sentences. I didn't go, I didn't eat, I didn't watch. Didn't plus the base verb.
Now you can tell any story from your past, yesterday, last weekend, last year, in real, natural English.
And here is your challenge for the comments today. Tell us, what did you do last weekend? Write 3 sentences, simple sentences. For example, I went to the park. I ate lunch with my family. I watched a film. Just 3 sentences. Your weekend, your story, your English.
We read every single comment. And if your sentence has a small mistake, share it anyway. Practice is more important than perfect, always.
And if today helped you understand past tense better, share this episode with one friend who is learning English, because past tense is one of the most important things to learn in English. And now you know how to use it.
This is Jake.
And this is Rose.
And you have been listening to the English Leap podcast. Tell us your story. We are listening.
Bye.